Big day. Today, dyno day for the Civic. I'm excited. It's gonna be awesome, you guys. You know, I'm hoping for anything a little over 2. I'm not gonna get my hopes up, but you know, from starting from scratch, this is awesome. You know, we came out here to Xact Dyno down in Tempe. Big buddy, a buddy of mine's actually recommended this place, so I'm excited. We're gonna, you know, it's good to finally see the car coming together. It's gonna be ready to drive, ready to have some fun with. Yeah, so we just got the injectors swapped out. We have the 550 cc injectors. I'm running Bosch. I have the Walbro 255 in. We have the spark plugs. Everything's looking great. You know, I'm excited. I can't explain to you my excitement right now. So let's get to it.
Honestly, at this point, when I saw 110 horsepower, I was amazed of what the end result was. My bad, I didn't really talk much. I was kind of nervous. My first time ever doing the dyno tuning. Hope you guys enjoy.
Let's go what they're doing. Stressing. Honestly, the car turned out great, you guys. The only thing we had some issues with, I think the head's lifting a little bit, so I'm probably, I'm gonna have to retorque the head down also.
He's gonna head home.
We started off at 110 horsepower. I ended up with 195 horsepower, which is 85 more horsepower, you know, than expected. And honestly, worth it. 110% worth it. I couldn't be more happier. There's still a lot of adjustments we have to make. Car's running solid. Everything else is good. I'm happy, you know. I couldn't be more happy, honestly. So, honestly, I need to stop saying honestly. So, to be honest with you, I need to stop saying honestly. So, to be 100 with you guys, if you have a Honda, you're thinking about boosting it, do it. It's worth it, you know. In the beginning, it's going to be very discouraging. You're going to be, wow, I don't know how to do this. But honestly, it is the most simplest thing ever. The only thing is, make sure I would do ARP head studs, hands down. Just, you know, yeah. I'm happy though, you know, we're golden. We're going to be out here now. You're out here in Arizona, you know, hit me up.